Hello, Albert. I'm making this private video for you so that you can learn a little bit how to work with the documents that you have in Google Drive. Okay. So, well, basically, first, if you want to go to Google Drive, you go to Gmail. You go to this button, where the Google apps are, and then click on the button and you go to Drive. Very simple. Okay, click on Drive, and then you will find your drive. Okay, my drive. Click on my drive, and then you will find immediately your own folder. Okay, I have many folders because I have many things in Drive already, but I will go immediately to your folder and you will see this one. Okay, you will see Albert. This is your folder that you will see in your Drive. Okay, and if you open this folder, okay, you are going to see the different folders that you're going to find. Okay, so you have conversation, and then you have grammar, homework, listening, pronunciation, readings, vocabulary, writings, and some general instructions. Okay, these general instructions, basically will tell you how we are going to work in general terms. Okay, so well, you can read the general instructions. I can tell you how much you have to work if you want to improve. One level per year usually takes some work per week, etc. Okay, and then well, you read the general instructions, and if you have any doubts, you let me know. Okay, we'll talk about them in class anyway. And then, all these folders will contain basically the conversation. If you open, you will have a document for conversation topics, okay, which we will use for writing skills or also for conversation skills. Okay, you have several topics. We will work with them, okay, in your folder. Okay, and then grammar, you will see different things. We will add more things as we go. Irregular plurals, verb tenses, conditionals, past perfect, etc. We will do different things. Homework, in the homework folder and documents, well, we will keep an update of the things that you have to do every week. Okay, and the listening also, you will have here different links, okay, to YouTube listenings, and you have some instructions as well on how you have to work. Okay, read everything so you know exactly what you have to do, and this will advance whatever, okay, we have to do. So you click on the link, you go to the YouTube link, and then you will start the listening and start the work. Okay, then pronunciation, you will find some pronunciation documents here. We will talk about them in class. And readings also, I will suggest you some readings which are very important, because in the readings, okay, you will have to look up new words. Okay, you will have to look up new words in the dictionary, and you might. Okay, the way that we do it is, for example, let's say that you don't know the meaning of the word leader. Okay, so you copy the word leader, you copy, then you go to word reference, which I recommend you to use, word reference, and then here you paste leader. Okay, and well, in this case, you will find a meaning. Okay, so you copy here the word and even the example if you want. You copy everything. Okay, be careful here, because if you don't copy well, it will go to a different page because of the links. So you copy all this information from the word reference, and then you go back to your documents. Okay, to your document here, and then you're going to make a comment. Okay, right click, and you see comment. Okay, so and then you are going to paste, okay, paste the information, comments, and then you will have leader every time that you read this again, because this is the process you have to review and repeat so that you learn the words very well. Okay, leader, you see leader, and then cabecilla, leader, John is the leader, blah blah blah. Okay, this is the type of work that you have to do with the readings. And then we go to the vocabulary folder, where you have some irregular verbs. I will tell you how you have to work with irregular verbs every week. And then you have some football terminology, soccer in the United States terminology, okay? So you also have some phrasal verbs also that we're going to work with. If you open the football document, you will have some channels, suggested channels, where they have football techniques in English. So maybe a bit difficult still to work with them, but then you will have all the common soccer terminology here. And I mean, the simple terms, you just have the definition. But the most complex terms, for example, like a back heel or a back tackle, okay, well, an attempt by a defender to take the ball away. Okay, well, you will click here in the most complex term, and then you will go to a YouTube video which will show you what a back tackle is. You see, that was a back tackle. Well, you know better than me what that is. So, well, you will see in the video. So, well, that's a wonderful thing to learn. You see the term and you see the video. Okay. And then writings, for whatever writings you are going to do, I will give you homework. Okay, so, well, this is basically everything that I wanted to tell you. Okay, so any questions that you have, you may ask me. Ask me. I will send you this video through email, and I will see you in class soon. Okay, thanks very much, and have a good day. Goodbye.